Many elections, whether for schools, unions, or corporate boards, still rely on messy paper ballots or insecure online forms. Paper is slow to count, and public online forms are prone to ballot stuffing. Today, I am unveiling a digital kiosk voting system. This is a hybrid solution. It combines the physical security of a polling station with the speed of cloud computing. It is completely dynamic, meaning you can use it for a youth election today and a board of directors vote tomorrow, just by changing the data in the backend. The backend, Google Sheets, the brain. Everything starts in the brain of the system, a standard Google Sheet. We don't need complex servers. We use the power of the Google Cloud. Here is how the data loading works. The contestant sheet. This is where the magic happens. The system is dynamic. It reads the sheet to build the ballot. If you have 5 positions or 50, or if you change your chairman to president, the app automatically updates. No coding required. Just type the names here. The registry registered voters. This is our security whitelist. We upload the IDs of eligible voters here. If an ID isn't on this list, the system blocks them at the door. The user sheet. This manages our polling agents. These are the staff members authorized to operate the devices. The workflow. Phase 1. Operator access. On election day, we don't send links to voters' phones. Instead, we set up stations, tablets, or laptops. Security Layer 1. The app launches with a staff login screen. The logic. An unauthorized person cannot even see the ballot. A polling agent enters their credentials to unlock the kiosk. The result? The device enters standby mode, waiting for a voter. The workflow. Phase 2. Verification, the handover. A voter walks up to the desk. They don't touch the device yet. They present their ID, e.g. student ID or membership number. The agent types the ID. The system triggers a server call, indicated by the blue loading bar. In a word, intro. The backend script checks 2 things instantly. In less than 2 seconds. Is this ID in the registered voter sheet? Is this ID already been recorded in the vote sheet? The firewall. If the ID has voted before, the system screams, error, already voted. If valid, the system unlocks the ballot and the agent hands the device to the voter. In a word. In parallel to the workflow, Phase 3, the voting wizard. Now, the voter is in control. We moved away from long scrolling forms which cause mistakes. We built a wizard interface. In 2 halves, the voter sees only one position at a time. Into the library, they tap large high-contrast cards. The selection glows blue. Choice. If they don't like any candidate, they select abstain. They click next to proceed. Progress. A progress bar at the top shows them exactly how far along they are. For example, 3 of 10 positions. Submission. On the final screen, they click Submit. The vote is cryptographically stamped with the time and their ID in the database. H2. The workflow. Phase 4. The reset loop. A period scroll page. Once the vote is cast, a success screen. The polling agent takes the device back and clicks Next Voter. In line 3, the efficiency. The system instantly clears the temporary memory, locks the ballot again, and returns to the ID entry screen. It takes less than 2 seconds to be ready for the next person. Set up the analytics. Real-time transparency. P. While voting happens, stakeholders need to see what's going on. We built a separate TV mode. P. Public access. We generate a specific read-only link. This can be put on a large projector or shared with observers. P. Visualization. The system pulls data from the votes sheet, aggregates the counts, and renders beautiful bar charts using chart.js. Live updates. The screen auto-refreshes every 15 seconds. No manual counting, no human error. The moment the polls close, you have your winner. Conclusion. Why this matters. This system solves the 3 biggest issues in modern elections. O. Factory power. 1C. References. B. Next in. Import. Power. Reference C. It runs entirely on Google's free infrastructure. Whether you are running a student government election, a cooperative society vote, or a corporate AGM, this system scales to meet the need. Power.